Good evening. My name is Rashi Sandeep Chudipal. Our today's video topic is multi-threading in Java. In today's video, we are going to see multi-threading, multitasking, process-based multitasking, thread-based multitasking, and what is thread. So we are going to start with our today's topic, multi-threading. Multi-threading in Java is a process of executing multiple threads simultaneously. A thread is a lightweight sub-process, the smallest unit of a processing. Multiprocessing and multithreading both are used to achieve multitasking. However, we used multithreading than multiprocessing because threads use a shared memory area. They don't allocate separate as memory area, so saves memory and context switching between the threads and takes less time than processing. Java multithreading is mostly used in games, animations, and etc. Next is we are going to see that is advantages of Java multithreading. So first advantage is it does not block the user because threads are independent and you can perform multiple operations at the same time. You can perform many operations together, so it saves time. Third is threads are independent, so it does not affect other threads if an exception occurs in a single thread. Next we are going to see point that is multitasking. So multitasking is a process of executing multiple tasks simultaneously. Executing multiple tasks simultaneously. We use multitasking to utilize the CPU. Multitasking can be achieved in two ways: process based multitasking, thread based multitasking. And process based multitasking, we can now each process has an address in a memory. In other words, each process allocates a separate memory area. Second point, a process is heavyweight. Third one is cost of communication between the process is high. Fourth point is switching from one process to another requires some time for saving and loading registers, memory maps, updating list, and etc. And process based multitasking is also we can say as multiprocessing. Now, second is thread based multitasking, and we can also say as multi-threading. Thread shares the same address space. A thread is a lightweight. And third point, last is cost of communication between the thread is low. And one point that you should note that is at least one process is required for each thread. At least one process is required for each thread. What is thread in Java? A thread is a lightweight sub-process, the smallest unit of a processing. It is a separate path of execution. Threads are independent if there occurs exceptions in one thread. It does not affect other threads. It uses a shared memory area. Okay, it uses a shared memory area. As a thread is executed inside the process, okay, there is a context switching between the thread. There can be multiple processes inside the OS, and one process can have multiple threads. Next point that is at a time one thread is executed only. Now, Java thread class means Java provides thread class to achieve thread programming. Thread class provides constructors and methods to create and perform operations on a thread. Thread class extends object class and implements runnable interfaces. In Java thread there are many methods that are start, run, yield, sleep, wait, join, is alive, and suspend, resume, destroy, stop, and many more. Okay, so these are the methods of thread. Thank you.